In Blender, the common way to make objects swing randomly is to first key a frame to the required properties, and then to the curve panel, add noise effector, adjust the frequency and amplitude. If you move the object, it will go back to the location of the key frame. You need to return to the frame of the key, adjust the location and create a keyframe override. I think this is more trouble. Not convenient enough. In Cinema 4D there is a function that can add a vibrate tag to the object. Just turn on it, you can achieve the effect of random motion. And there is also the option of regular pulse, you can achieve the effect of regular vibration. You can modify the position of the object without care about the key frame, so I want to achieve it in Blender. Geometry Node is a new feature after Blender 3.0, I tried to do it with geometry nodes. And achieved the same effect. You can turn on the random motion of the object with only one click. Although the function I need is achieved, but so many parameters, put on the interface of the geometry node to adjust is not humane enough. I want to arrange these parameters to look better, so I spent some time to write a add-on. Put these parameters on the panel. Once install the add-on, select the object and click the Let's Wiggle button. Turn on an axis switch and the object will get a random motion effect. In fact, the object is added a geometry node modifier, and the add-on put the parameters onto the panel. The first row is the axis switch, and the last row is the switch for regular pulse. You can directly adjust the parameters of frequency and amplitude on the interface. The parameters of each channel can be adjusted individually or together. For scaling, there is also a switch for uniform scale. Turn on it, the scale will be controlled by the X scale. The position of the object can be adjusted without adjusting the keyframe. As we cannot add geometry nodes to null objects, so now the add-on can only work on mesh objects. But for my own use it's enough. For example, I need to do an animation of a small boat randomly undulating up and down. Select the boat, click the wiggle button, turn on the Z position and X rotation of the random switch. Adjust the amplitude and frequency. We can achieve a random movement animation very quickly. The add-on is free, you can download it from the link below. Have fun. Thank you for watching.